Hey everyone, Josh here. In this episode of our series of explainer videos, How the Platform Works, we will speak about account verification on the iqoption platform. The first question that may come up could be, why do I need to verify my iqoption account? The thing is that account verification is needed if you want to deposit into your trading account and start trading. Trading without account verification is not allowed. According to the company's policies, every trading account must be verified within 15 days after the first deposit. Otherwise, it gets blocked and the client won't be allowed to use it for trading anymore. So, to avoid difficulties related to depositing, trading, and withdrawing, you should consider completing the verification process before you make your first deposit. Alright, let's assume that I am new to the platform. I have not deposited into my real account yet, so I'm going to verify my account in these conditions. First of all, I will need to confirm my email address, enter my personal details, and then fill out a questionnaire on my background and experience. Then I will proceed to identity verification and address verification. Let's start with identity verification. Identity verification is needed to make sure that you are really you. And it is also needed to protect your own funds. What documents can you provide to verify your identity? Well, you can choose from one of the following options: passport, national ID card, driving license, or residence permit. Please keep in mind that there may be some local variations of these documents depending on the country. Here I'm telling you about the general document requirements. Talking about formats, you should also provide a good quality photo in JPEG or PDF formats. Take a photo of your identity document so that all the information therein is clearly visible. Position the document frontally. Don't crop it. The photo must show the entire document without any cropped edges, other objects, or shadows over it. All information, including your name, surname, date of issue, date of expiry, photo, signature, etc. should be discernible. Blurry images won't be accepted. Please pay attention to the file size too, as it must not exceed 8 megabytes. Another important thing is that your identity document must still be valid. You won't be able to verify your identity using an old or expired document, so please check the validity of your document before submitting it as proof. Now, let's take a quick look at address verification. What documents can you provide? Well, it could be a bank statement or letter about your bank account, which must show you have an active account there. The document must be on a letterhead or show the bank's logo or stamp. Alternatively, you can provide a recent utility bill to prove your address of residence. Please note that iqoption accepts utility bills for phones, landlines and mobiles, electricity, water, etc. You can also provide digital bills in the PDF format, as well as photos of paper ones. Other documents that can prove your address may include residence certificates from the municipality or tax bills. Whatever document out of the pre-aforementioned ones you are going to submit to prove your address, make sure it is a full or half-page copy of the document, which is not older than 6 months, shows your name and address, and has the logo of the bank, company, or stamp of the municipality. Please note that iqoption does not accept the following documents as proof of address: insurance, letters or bills, advertisements, identity cards, driving licenses, payslips, purchases of goods, auto declarations of residence. Alright, now let's speak about how to verify a bank card. When you make a withdrawal, you will need to provide a good quality photo of the bank card or cards used for depositing. Take a photo of both sides of the card. Before taking the photo of the front side, make sure that only the first 6 and last 4 digits of the card number are visible, while 6 digits in the middle are obscured. On the back side, obscure the CVV code, which is the 3 digits for security. To do this, you can use a piece of paper or even a photo editor. Also, make sure that the bank card is still signed. If you used a virtual card for depositing, provide a full screenshot of that card with the expiration date visible. The screenshot must contain your name. If the name is not visible, you can upload a second screenshot with personal data from your online bank account. The screenshot of your digital card must contain the first 6 and last 4 digits only, with 6 digits in the middle obscured, and the CVV must be hidden too. If your app doesn't allow taking screenshots, you can use another device to take a photo of the screen. Other requirements to the files are the same as those I described for identity documents. Good quality photos in JPEG or PDF formats, not larger than 8 megabytes, with all information clearly visible. Cropped or blurry photos won't be accepted, as well as photos with the bank card image positioned other than frontally. No shadows or other objects over the bank card are allowed. In some cases, a user might be required to provide a taxpayer identification number. Just enter your TIN number manually if the system requests it, and click Save and Continue. Normally, identity verification and address verification takes about 1 business day, while bank card verification takes from 1 to 5 business days to be completed. Okay, so that's all we have time for on today's video. I hope you learned something, and if you liked the video, please like the video and share the video too. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications. Stay tuned, watch our next episodes, and make your trading as enjoyable as possible with iqoption. See you next time.